mentioned something yokuthi abantu abasiphethe. What do you mean by that?
Those who came before me are those that are within me and are those that are driving me.
Okay, you mean ancestors?
Yeah.
You know, I had a conversation nongebo wakamvithi esithi yena akekho umuntu ambiza ngoThixo okanye uGod, uthi his creator, and he acknowledges a creator through the people that he recognizes. So he believes that he can communicate with the creator through people that he recognizes, through people that he knows.
Yingakho ewumkhulu womkhulu base befika belumbe bathi uNkulunkulu, kodwa yena umkhulu womkhulu owavela kuqala.
And then Zwe, you always fascinate me. Ungumuntu owazi languages ezininzi. Tell me about that, because amaZulu analento yokuba stubborn. I don't care if nizongithuka ngalokho. AmaZulu are very stubborn. They are stereotyped. They always believe that it's either their language or not. Bazibiza ngamaZulu, sibuswe yizulu. What makes you to be open-minded and be willing to learn other languages? Not learning, actually, you speak other languages.
How do you approach them when you want them to converse with you ngolwimi lwakho? Is it out of arrogancy?
Those people, they don't need you to position yourself to speak your language with them. They will just throw you from
I feel like you guys get easily triggered. Thina siyayiqhenya ngolwimi lwethu. So we flex about who we are. We flex about our language. It's within us, it's in us. So gomunye umuntu who's not confident enough that ifika kabi kuye ngoba engenakho ukuzethemba.
Not really, not entirely.
Kodwa uma uphinda ubuya ngokuzethemba uzobona ukuthi
cha ngwenya. Mina, I'm talking this from an experience. More especially, we all know the common thing, elenk. Once you feel dumelang bagolo. Listen, I'm even showing respect. Dumelang bagolo le kae? Ne ke kopa o botsa tle batho nka dikra kae di taxi di yang Rustenburg. Cha ngwenkosazana awukakhuluma. Asikuzwa thina kutilisi ithini lento yakho? Uyafuna uhamba noma cha? Ke fihlile ka ikokobetsa ko lona. Ka fihla ka bua sentle. I positioned myself, but you will dismiss me anyway.
Asingaqheli kakhulu lapho, kodwa mina ngisasho ngithi kuya ukuyiqhenya, ukuzazisa, futhi nawe ukuze ngifike la ukhona, o ngixoxe nawe ngalendlela ofuna ngixoxe ngayo. Ngifuna lokho ukuzethemba, ngifuna lokho ukuyiqhenya.
And then what made you to be out of your shell and be willing? Because xa uthetha isiXhosa ndiye ndothuke, xa uthetha isiChangane ndiye ndothuke. Like, what made you to be very interested to other languages?
I think being exposed and leaving my comfort zone, whereby Zulu is everything. As a Zulu person, they bow to you and all that. Uthi mawufika kwezinye izizwe, ufika uhlala nalabo bantu labo, and get that side of them off, because bona laba khona, they are proud of who they are. When you are in the Eastern Cape, for an example, they are proud of being Xhosa, and they show it. They flex about it. Mawuso uthola lokho zeqhenya, lokho kuyithemba kwabo. You get interested in ukufunda, ukubazi. Bese kuba ukuthi ukuba umngane nencwadi kukufundisa ukuthi we don't have to always agree in everything, but we have to respect other people's values. So the more you read and you open your mind, and it broadens it helps you understand that it's not everything you think or you see right for you is right for everyone. And some things that are not right for you and are right for them, it's okay to understand where they come from and why they believe it's right for them, but it doesn't mean that you have to bow to that.
As njengamanje kunale trend ithi we listen, we don't judge. I hear what you're saying.
So respect that they believe in that, they see it that way, but ubhontshisi uyakhethwa. What is it that works for me? Angivele nje ngufake ebhodweni, ngiyawukhetha kuqala, ngithathe okungisebenzela, ngithathe ngizongisebenzela ngihambe nakho, kodwa ongazi ukungisebenzela futhi nelingibonayo ukuthi lokhu kungidicilela phansi noma usiko mpilo lwami, inkolo yami kuyidicilela phansi, let me take it out. Angibe safe.
That's so mouthful, man. That's so mouthful. Yazi, at every time when I think of you, you strike me as a cultural rooted person, but who's modern, right? I know it sounds confusing, but that's who I've learned ngongwenya. Igama lakho unguzweli kayise, and you have other brothers. Kwakutheni wena wethu bengu ozobalela izwe likayise kunabanye?
Ngiyengubaba akasekho emhlabeni.
Kwakutheni ungambuzi? Kwakutheni ungambuzi?
Ngiyengubaba akasekho emhlabeni. Mhlawumbe besingamvusa sibuze.
Hayi, yabona mina labazali uthola ukuthi umuntu untombi kayise uzwele, ubi like why not nabanye?
Kodwa angithi futhi ngikholelwa ekutheni mina negama mawumetha kusuke kungewena, kodwa kusuke kuyisiprophet othizeni. Naye usuke engenwe imimoya thizeni, embonisa lento angakayiboni, kodwa afisa ukuthi ifezeke, afisa futhi ukuthi it must come to life.
I like that.
So yikho kwaZulu kuthiwa ingane ayinikwe igama ingakazalwa. It mayizalwa, then you see, you vision that, but I don't think it's you who pictures that. I don't think it's you who visions that, but it's those that are within you, and those that, because ile ngane iphethe amaphupho ayo, iphethe amaphupho akho umzali, iphethe amaphupho alaba abaphila kodwa bangakwazi ukufinyelela la kwakufanele bafinyelele khona.
Ngiyakuva.
So uhambo lwayo uhlukile, and igama isikhathini esiningi it paves the way. It's a prophecy of what is. You understand?